All right, everybody has a piece of paper and a triangle, and let's label, let's draw in a triangle with the outer edge here, and make one large triangle. All right, and let's get our 90-degree angle drawn in here. Label the vertices here as A, B, and C. And let this be X. This side is X. 36 degrees for this angle here, and 11 for here. We have a 90-degree right triangle. We can use trigonometry to find this missing angle, this missing side, if we're given an acute angle. Label the sides. So you find your acute angle and find your 90. Now the side opposite the 90 here is the hypotenuse. Let's go ahead, get this labeled. Come back to the acute angle. We already know this side, okay? The acute angle will always be next to the hypotenuse, okay? And the other side, the side that's adjacent, okay, this would be the adjacent side. So let's go ahead and put in A, D, J, A, C, E, and T. All right. And this side is opposite this angle, so we call it opposite. So O, P, P, O, S, I, T, E. Let's get those labeled in like that.